How's your fasting today?
Two world cricketers and stars David Warner and Ken Williamson kept a fasting with Sunrisers Hyderabad teammate Rashid Khan during Ramadan. Welcome to Samoon TV channel. If you didn't subscribe to our channel, please press the subscription button and hit the like. Two legends were fasting with us today. Rashid Khan has captioned a video. In the video, David Warner saying that he is very hungry and thirsty. IPL is the biggest melting pot of different cultures and traditions. The 22 years old Rashid Khan asking David Warner and Williamson about their fasting experience. David, how is your fasting today? Good, but I am very thirsty and very hungry today. My mouth is so dry. Warner responds. Rashid Khan turns the phone camera towards Williamson and asking the same question. Very good, thanks, says Williamson, flashing a thumbs up sign. These two legends were having a fast today. It is a pleasure to have them at the table, says Rashid Khan. Muhammad Nabi and Khalil Ahmed have also shared posts related to the Ramadan fasting on their Instagram handles. Thanks for watching this video.
David, how's your fasting today?
Good, but I'm very thirsty and very hungry. My mouth is so dry.
Yeah. Ken, how are you feeling?
Very good, thanks.
Guys, these two legends are having fast today. It's a pleasure to have them here on the table.
Very difficult.